Hello, my gorgeous peeps. How are you all going today? I hope you guys are all doing well. It's Janine here again, guys, rocking it out for my beautiful and amazing, gorgeous over 40s again from Auckland, New Zealand. That's right, and anyone else who is willing to watch. Today, guys, we're going to do a beautiful, awesome, gorgeous look for daytime, for work. I am heading off to work and I want to do a beautiful look using the new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams luxury palette. This one here, guys, I have used it. I've had a little play around with it. Oh, it's gorgeous, beautiful for daytime, guys, and just, you know, that real Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk gorgeousness. I love it. This one up here, guys, shocked me. It's actually, I think it's a duochrome, so it's absolutely beautiful. But today we're going to use this palette, guys. I also got a hold of her new highlighters. I bought both of them. So it's called the Pillow Talk Multi Glow, and this is Romance Light, so it's a lighter one. I haven't tried this one yet. It looks a little bit light for me, but I am going to give it a go at some point. And then I also got this one here, Dream Light, which is, oh my goodness, guys, beautiful. I'm not joking, beautiful. The real Charlotte Tilbury glow. It's stunning on the skin, guys. I've worn it a few times and it's just, I love it on my skin tone. I will show you today, but it's beautiful. I also picked up her new Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes, the brown one. Not much of a big fan of this, to be honest, guys. It's a little bit light for me. I mean, it kind of even looks a bit reddy. Can you see that colour? I kind of got some feedback of people when I wore this, and they asked me why my eyelashes were pink, so I'm not sure if that suits. So I just wanted to show you guys that one. I'm not sure if we're going to use it. I also picked up her new Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. Pillow Talk 2 medium, so it's a new one. I haven't used this one yet. We're going to try this as well, even though I'm going to use that highlighter as the highlighter. We're going to try, okay, because I just love these ones. They are amazing, guys. They're so versatile and easy to use. Perfect. So I'm going to quickly go do my face. I'm going to do my base. This is going to be a very fast look, guys. I've done all my skincare today, guys. I'm going to go away and do sunscreen. I'm going to use my Super Glow Screen, the beautiful glowy one. And I'm also today for foundation going to use this beautiful Chantal Bougie foundation because, you know, I've had it for a while. I've got to use it up. And I love this foundation, guys. It is beautiful and gorgeous and just very, very, oh. The only bad thing about it, guys, is that, you know, it doesn't have a pump or anything like that. So you actually need to get your fingers in there. So I'm going to go away and do that to make this video quicker. And I will be back and show you guys the amazingness. Won't be long. There we go, guys. My base is being done now. I haven't done any concealer or anything like that. I'm not even sure if I want to do concealer today, guys, to be honest. This is going to be a very, very, very fast look. What do you think of this foundation from Chantal? Ooh, it's gorgeous. Let me bring you up closer, eh, so that you can have a better look. Hold up. What do you think of that foundation, guys, from Chantal? Oh, it's beautiful. Check it out. Really, really, really nice medium coverage foundation. I've always enjoyed this one. It's just really beautiful. It reminds me of the Lumiere one. It's so nice and gorgeous. Perfect for daytime, guys, and that's what we want. So I'm not going to wear concealer today. I don't think I need it. This is a very quick look, guys, for work. So, you know, we're just going to do things as normal, as per normal, as we usually do. No glammy vibes or anything, but I'll do my makeup today the way that I usually do it. So I'm going to use the beautiful Hourglass Veil translucent powder just to pop under my eyes and brighten them. Also dust it on top of my eyelids. Pop some on top of your eyelids just to make that eyeshadow glide on really smoothly. Okay, guys, let's rip into this eye look, eh? Ooh, a fluffy brush. I'm going to use my beautiful Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. I love these brushes, guys. I have so many brushes I love, you know, Refa. Let's get into this beautiful Pillow Talk Dreams luxury palette here. beautiful colours, guys. You could definitely find these colours in some of Charlotte's other palettes, well, as close as you can, but this duochrome up here, it shocked me. It's so beautiful. I'm firstly going to go with this. These are two mattes here, so I'm going to go with this one here and just put that in my crease real quick. So that looks pretty good, eh guys? Don't worry, we've over blended. I always over blend especially on this eye. We'll fix that up later. This is a very fast look. Wipe your brush off, guys, and then we're going to go into another colour. You see, you've got to do that one there. That's the duo. I'm going to put this one here, that one there, all over my lid. Okay, and then I'm going to bang that duochrome on. It's such a nice colour, guys. I mean, check that out. It's kind of browny, kind of bronzy. It's really nice. Love Charlotte Tilbury stuff. I really, really do. I've just put that on lightly there, guys, because I am going to put this darkest one here on the outer. So I'm going to go in now, guys, with this darkest matte here and just kind of smoke out the outer. And then we are going to put that duochrome in. Very fast look, guys. Very simple, very easy. Check that out. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now it's time for the duo. This is a very quick look, guys. Don't forget that. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful one up here, and I'm going to put that in the middle of the lid, and I'm not going to spray it or anything like that, guys. I'm just going to leave it in its beautiful, oh, look at that glory. It's a beautiful colour. Place that right in the middle. Excuse them, you can hear kids outside, guys. It's my neighbour's kids. They are up 24/7. I'm not joking. They are just so full on. Isn't this a beautiful colour? Check that out, guys. It's beautiful duochrome. Whew. Now I feel like I need to smoke that outer out a little bit more. Just use that same brush with no extra product, guys, and kind of merge it with that duo so it looks nice and tidy. It's a beautiful palette. I love all of Charlotte Tilbury stuff. Okay, so we can see that we have definitely over blended on this side, so I'll get my sponge here. I won't be using my little concealer technique today, guys. I'm gonna a bit of a rushy rush. Just kind of clean it up. I am really enjoying this look, guys. It's super easy. It's just really, really nice. I love that duo. It's not too much, you know, it's beautiful. And I love Charlotte Tilbury's products, guys. I love her palettes. I love all of her makeup. I just get so happy whenever she releases something. Some people get over it. Okay, so I get a little pencil brush and we're going to go on with that darkest matte here. That's what I like. You can also go with that one, but I like the darkies on my bottom lash line. Tap it out, and we're going to also add some of that beautiful duochrome. I just can't help myself, guys. I have to. Just wiping my brush off. Let's put some of that beautiful duochrome over here on the bottom lash line as well, and the inner corner. Check it out. Yep, that's great. Look at that. I love her stuff. I love her stuff. You can't make any mistakes with Charlotte's stuff. As long as you blend, you are absolutely fine. Honestly, I'm going to actually blend the bottom of that out a bit more. I always make this face. I'm trying to change my ways, okay? Okay, my peeps, I'm going to do a very, very fast bronzer using my Hourglass Diffuse Bronze Light. This is a very, I feel like it's quite light for me, which is good. Kind of what I want today. Super fast look, guys. I think there's been some product on this. Oh my gosh. Bronze up here just a little bit, nothing major. We're not fussing today, guys, remember, no fuss. But I do like to get it under the jawline. If you are going to bronze, you know, you might as well like take the time, a few seconds to do under your jaw, just to snatch it. Sometimes, actually lately I haven't been bronzing at all, but today I feel like I want to. You don't have to bronze, you don't have to do anything, guys, but just make sure it's quite high up, eh? Especially for us lovely over 40s. Okay, my peeps, we're going to hit it. We are going to do, I really want to use the Beauty Light Wand. Easy highlighter. But I want to show you guys this highlighter. I need to actually, where is it? I want to show you guys this highlighter today, guys. It's the Dreamlight one, it's the darker one, or the medium one. It's beautiful. I absolutely love this highlighter, guys. She is stunning. I will show you. It's got like a golden glow to it, so this is the one I want to show you guys today. We can always use the other one another time. Get a fluffy brush. I'm just using my beautiful Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush here. And what you do, guys, is you don't want to just touch one colour, eh? You could do, but I like to swirl the whole lot around to make sure it's even. And then just on those high points, it's a really beautiful colour, guys. It's like a bronzy, beautiful gorgeousness. I even go down a little bit lower as well. Put some on my nose. Look at that. Check that out, guys. Can you see that? Amazingness. Let's try and blend that out with the bronzer as well, eh? Because we don't want it looking... I mean, I'm going hard. We don't want it looking like two stripes down the nose. Wow. That is just, you know, to die for. I love it. I love it. I'm actually going to try some of the lighter one now. I haven't tried this one yet, guys. Okay, so bear with me. I might end up making a big, huge mistake here. But I really want to try just a little bit, a smidge of it, okay? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful too. Just a smidge, alright? Up here, higher. It is so beautiful. It's not too light for me. It's not too light. It's beautiful. If I'm looking a bit bright, guys, my window, it's sunny over here and now it decides to beam on it, okay? So I'm sorry if my lighting is a bit stuffed today, but that is us, okay? I'm going to go away and do eyebrows, and I want to show you an amazing, amazing, amazing mascara that I've been using lately. Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, I am back. I've just done my eyebrows, a bit of eyeliner. Now I want to show you guys this freaking great mascara from City Beauty. It's called the Beyond Mascara, and it's from City Beauty Limited. Oh my gosh, guys, I am not freaking joking. I am not getting paid to say this, but this has to be one of the best mascaras I've used. I was addicted to my Hourglass Unlock before. This one is just so much better. Because I don't wear false lashes or anything, I need something that is going to give me the best, you know, full on look. So I'll show you how I do it. Give me a sec. Check that out, guys. That's just one dip inside here, and it's very, very, very beautiful. You can see it's just lengthened my lashes. It has little fibers in it, but they're not the annoying ones that drops everywhere and everything. You don't even know it's got fibers in it. Let's give it another coat, eh? I really want to just show you guys how amazing it is. It's not clumpy. And that's second coat there, guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's really lengthened my lashes really, really well. Now I'm going to do the bottom. And that's all I'm going to do, guys. It is beautiful mascara, guys. Can you see how lengthened it is? I love this stuff. It's actually my favourite mascara at the moment. Just check under here. Sometimes I kind of stuff it up. Do I have a spoon? Oh no. I just like to brush. I'm always doing that, you know, I have to brush out the bottom ones. But that's our look, guys. I'm going to add on my beautiful, beautiful setting spray by Peach and Lily. This is my new fave. I love this stuff. So close your eyes. Woo! I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. Now for lips. Let's wipe off my lips. For lips, I'm just going to choose a gloss today. Now I want to show you these ones from City Beauty. They are amazing, guys. They're City lip glosses, and they are plumping, and they are beautiful, and they're amazing. They last for ages. I've got the clear one, which I really love. I love wearing all the time, and then I've got this beautiful one here, which is called Nude York, and this is also beautiful. But today I'm just going to use this one, or I could use this one. Yeah, let's use this one, eh? Might suit the look. And they're plumping. Fast to use, just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to buy me some more of these lip glosses from City Beauty. They are the best. The other ones I also love are from Luna Beauty. Ooh, those are the bomb as well, but these ones are just amazing. I really like this clear one. I'm always wearing it. I thought I would go for this one today, just to go with the lovely, I feel like it's a peachy kind of a vibe. But yeah, that's us, guys. I'll just do my hair quickly. I've got to shoot to work. My hair's getting longer, isn't it? What do you think? That's our look today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Using beautiful Charlotte Tilbury's new Pillow Talk Dreams luxury palette. It is gorgeous. It's stunning. Look at that. I mean, look at that sparkle you can get. But I look really good, like I can, you know, for daytime. And you can also just amp this up using a lot more of the darker mattes for nighttime, guys. Amazing. My favorites are the highlighters. I love these highlighters. They are my star. I've always been into my glow anyway, so I absolutely love those. And I feel very glowy today, and I feel very ready for work, so that's where I'm off to, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this awesome look. I'll back it out a bit, and then we'll see, you know, what it kind of looks like. Okay, my peeps, so that's me. I'm ready for work now. Might just do my hair up a little bit like this. I box dyed my hair last night, which I'm very happy about. My hair is getting longer, isn't it? Nearly ready for a little haircut, I think, soon. But yeah, that's me, and I will be shooting off to work now. And I hope you enjoyed this look, guys, with Charlotte Tilbury's products. We will use the beauty wand another time. I think my face has got enough glow. I just love all of these products that we got, and I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please try her products. They're amazing. Look at me. I am just beaming, ready for work, ready to drop my kids off, and that's me. And then I'll come home and yeah, it'll still be on. Loving the glow, you know, loving the Chantecaille as well. Chantecaille's foundation is amazing, very bougie, very pricey, but you know, I love my little brands. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you up on my next video, and take care, guys. Love you all. Mwah.